Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2016 YD Kia Cerato SLi. This shape ran from the 4th month 2013 to the 5th month 2018. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This vehicle is fitted with a G4NA 4-cylinder 2-litre petrol engine backed by a front-wheel drive automatic transmission. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror. Left-hand front door appears to have no damage. We have the left-hand rear door. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Left-hand tail light garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light garnish. Right-hand tail light. Also has a tidy rear bumper cover. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheels. Right rear has a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door appears to have no damage. We have the right-hand power door mirror. Factory 17-inch alloy mag wheel. Right front has a good tyre. We have the driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black leather interior. Has a tidy center console lid, tidy handbrake lever, tidy automatic transmission center console, automatic transmission gear stick, factory AC controls, climate control type, factory media player, interior mirror, has a tidy grey left-hand sun visor, tidy courtesy light with sunglass holder, tidy grey right-hand sun visor, automatic transmission instrument cluster, also has a tidy black leather steering wheel with steering wheel controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.